Hi, this is Eric with Stormtrooper Ranch. I'm going to do a comparison on the AM and the AM 4.5. This is the AM and this is the AM 4.5. The differences is on the AM, underneath the ear. On the newer versions, there's kind of a round thing. It's basically the same shape as the ear, and it goes down. But with the AM, this was a straight seam underneath the ear. There was no curvature, there was no drill dimples or anything like that. They're both, the AM is a three-piece helmet, meaning it has a one-piece cap, one-piece back, one-piece face. Where the 4.5, the new version, is a one-piece cap back and a one-piece face. I don't know if you can see in this picture, but the ears are also way larger, way fatter on the the AM compared to the 4.5. The spacing between the outside of each of the mic tip holes, this equals 6¼ inches, and the AM 4.5 equals 6 inches. So there's a 1/4 inch difference in that space here compared to this space there. The top of the dome, hopefully you can see this, have a dramatically different shape also. This one, the 4.5, is almost an egg shape, with the front being fatter than the back. So it's fatter down here and skinnier back here, where the 4.0, or the AM, is basically a circle. It's the same on both front and back. The helmet sizes, if you look at across the top, this one appears to be taller, this one appears to be smaller. But if we turn these sideways, you could see this helmet is so much wider this way than this one. There's also a little difference in the bottom here. As you can see, there's the gap difference here compared to here. He did a little more arcing in the front and back piece than he did on this one. So this one was a lot larger for the bigger head than the 4.5. But this one I have cut out a little bit more on the sides so that I could wear it. This opening was a lot larger, and I could have trimmed it out more, but I didn't. So anyway, the AM is considerably larger than the 4.5. And let me just see if I can get a measurement while we're on film here. From the front of the volt cord to the back of the helmet is about 12½ inches. And on this one, is 11¼ inches. So there's about an 1¼ inch difference in the depth of these helmets. So anyway, on the helmet back are the traps and tiers. This one, they're pretty equal, same size. This one side, this side here, is a lot larger than that side. Same with the front traps. This side has a lot larger trap than that side, where these are pretty much equal. So there's a huge difference on the decal sides, the traps and tier sides. There's a huge difference on the depth of the thickness of the helmet this way. There's a huge difference on the ears. He did remodeling in those. And there's a huge difference on the cap, because one's a 3-piece, one's a 2-piece. So the AM is a lot larger. It's a little bit smaller than the FX was. The AM is more to true size of what the helmet should be, and looks to me much nicer than the AM did. So anyway, hopefully this helps you, and I will see you on the next video, and we'll compare a couple more helmets and we'll go from there. Have a good day.